ready for a behind-the-scenes look with an RHS show manager?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, let's kick it off. What's your role in the RHS Flower Show Cardiff?
So I am the show manager and I do the development side, and I work with Jasmine Hill and the team who do the operational side.
Do you have a special connection to Cardiff?
I have a special connection to Wales, so despite my very English accent, I actually am and grew up in Wales.
How many hours does it take to put the show together?
I wouldn't have a clue, but a lot. And as soon as I finish planning this year's, I'll be straight on to planning next year's.
Why should I come to the Cardiff Flower Show?
For lots of reasons. There's loads of inspiring things for you to take away and do stuff in your own garden. There's talks, there's lots of food, there's obviously plants and family activities and all sorts. There's something for everyone.
How do I make sure I don't miss anything at the show?
I would say plan ahead. So there's lots of information on our website, and as soon as you get into the showground, buy a show guide and plan your route on a map.
And what do I do at the show if it happens to rain?
Put your wellies on and your umbrella up. There's loads to do, there's lots of inside things, but also it's a great show, you just kind of get on and enjoy it anyway.
Can you say, come to the Cardiff Flower Show in Welsh?
I think so. Diolch I siw flodau Caerdydd.
Where can we buy tickets to the show?
You can buy them online, over the phone or in person on the door.
Which day is the best day to attend?
Every day is the best day, but have a look at the specific content happening each day, and if there's someone you want to see or something you want to do, then come on that day.
And what are the themes at this year's show?
This year's themes are Visit Wales' Year of Discovery, and the RHS theme is Feel Good Gardening.
Thanks, Anna. We'll see you at the show.
See you at the show.